Aloha. My name is Rex Golden. I'm here to show you Masters 2008. This is the parking stall right here. It is the closest stall to the unit. The front entrance to the complex is going to be right up there. Alright, trash enclosure is going to be right over here behind that little wall enclosure. That parking stall is right here, okay? We're going to work our way in. Today is landscaping day here in the area, so there's going to be some people around. This unit is going to be on the end of the building. It's going to be the upstairs unit right here. Alrighty, the entry area is going to be this right here with a little bench and chairs. And then we'll come into the kitchen. The kitchen has nice new fabricated countertops, new sink. We put all new door handles on here about a year ago, and cabinet pulls. Lots of cabinet space. Some newer appliances. Little pantry closet here. It's going to be as deep as the cabinets themselves. Okay, a double oven. And the view out the kitchen windows. The lighting was right. There you can see the ocean a little bit. Alright, but then we go out into the living room area. Exiting the kitchen, I'll show you the living room. Bar stool seating overlooking the kitchen. Big old comfy couch, massive TV. We do have vaulted ceilings in here in the living room with a phenomenal view of the ocean and landscaping outside. We have some skylight windows in the bathroom that'll bring some natural light in here to the living room occasionally. On the lanai, we have some couch seating, as well as a nice 4-person table. And the view that you just can't beat. We put some new photography up on the website. It'll take a couple days to download, but it will reflect this amazing view. Okay, into the primary bedroom. It's a double queen bed. Big old AC unit in here, as well as one in the living room. You do have another access door to the lanai. Again, the vaulted ceiling, fan for airflow. Okay, we have a couple deep closets here, all the way to the wall. And another wall-to-wall closet here, all the way down. Alrighty, into the second bathroom, we do have the laundry machine, Plenty of storage here in this closet. We're gonna have the second full bath. This bathroom will have a one step up walk-in shower. Pocket door into the second bedroom. And again, there will be an AC unit in here with a vaulted ceiling. Big closet wall to wall. And this door is the entry door, leads back into the entry area. Makes for a great at-home office in here, but this big window also oversees the parking lot and this corner parking stall, which goes to the unit. And then out we go to the entry area.